you got. If you haven't got love.
Hello tipsters and tricksters, welcome back to another tips and tricks video. I have another fashion video for you guys. I'm actually leaving the house, which means I want to put effort into hair and makeup and fashion. So here we are. Today's video is in collaboration with a brand that I have worked with previously. They're called Son de Flor. They are a Lithuanian family-run business. It's run by two sisters who wanted to start a slow fashion brand and create clothing that you could wear and rewear. And I would say that's very true. Their pieces are largely made of linen. It is beautiful material that you can wear in summertime. It is nice and cool. People often wear linen in hot countries, but of course you can also layer the pieces and wear them in other seasons as well. So they are very versatile. The pieces are all ethically made using ethical materials, and when the pieces arrive, they come packed in cardboard, twine, and paper. There is no plastic anywhere, no plastic to be seen. Love that. So they have sent me 3 beautiful dresses, and when I saw these pieces on the website, the first thing I thought of was the starlets of the 1960s, particularly the European ones, your Brigitte Bardot, your Gina Lollabrigidas, some of the gorgeous Hollywood actresses that were inspired by the European style, Elizabeth Taylor, Audrey Hepburn, Grace Kelly. I just felt there was a very European summer countryside vibe about the pieces that I wanted to explore, hence the very 60s hair and makeup today. So let me show you these pieces. Okay, first up we have this beautiful dress in this like pale pink sort of dusty plum color, which I think is gorgeous. It has little wooden buttons. Oh, I've not done it up, but there's little wooden buttons. It's got a Peter Pan collar. I just think this is absolutely adorable, and I have to show you, like, all of the sleeves and everything are lined. These pieces are so beautifully finished. And also the bottom of the dress is lined so that the hem is pulled down so that it doesn't just fly up all the time with the wind. Just some really beautiful finishing pieces on these that I think make them very wearable and also will make them last a lot longer. And obviously being linen, they're much cooler. And of course, they have pockets, of course. Like, I mean, do brands even sell dresses that don't have pockets anymore? What is the point? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so that is piece number 1. It has a full skirt all the way down, I think, mid-calf, maybe even a little bit longer. All of these have got that very kind of like 60s peasant girl, you know, country roll in the hay kind of... I'm immediately thinking of like the saucy poster of, not Jane Mansfield, Jane Russell, you know, when she's wearing like the peasant girl outfit, and there's like that saucy poster that like caused all of the controversy because she had like a special bra made to make it look like she wasn't wearing a bra. So anyway, they're the vibes that I'm getting from the length and style of this dress. The second dress is, again, these colors are really gorgeous and things that you don't see in a lot of brands. So this is almost like a salmon-y pink, like picnic rug check. I know it's probably not the technical term for the print, but that is what I'm calling it. This is gorgeous. It is a wrap dress, again with a nice big full skirt, and it is quite long. And yeah, I just think the color of this is absolutely divine. So ideas are brewing. And lucky last, we have this beautiful like scoop necked 3/4 sleeve with like sort of a bell sleeve shape with a rouged back. For some reason, this really gave me Brigitte Bardot vibes, so I'm really looking forward to dressing this up inspired by her look. I will have shared, I'm sure, a bunch of pictures of my inspiration for these pieces, but yes, that European kind of heading out into the sunshine for, you know, a bottle of wine and some cheese on a picnic rug is what I'm going for. So I've pulled together some shoes and accessories and things to make these pieces work. I'll be heading out with my gorgeous peonies. Aren't these stunning? I saw these at the shops. I'm not usually someone who buys a lot of flowers. It can add up really quickly if you have fresh flowers in your house all the time, even if you buy quite cheap ones. But I couldn't pass these up. How stunning are these? And I thought the colors of these with the peonies would just be beautiful. So let's check out these outfits. You guys let me know how I did. that is the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope it gave you a little bit of inspiration on how to style pieces to get that European starlet kind of effortless look. Let me know down in the comments if this is a kind of style that you would like to try out or something that you already wear. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want more vintage tips and tricks. Check out my Patreon, it's linked down below for more perks, including extra content and curated vintage finds. Come and follow me on my Instagram. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.